Have you ever wondered why your electronics suddenly stop working? It could be a tiny component called a capacitor. Hi, and welcome to another RC Electronics repair. And today we're going to be talking about the effects of failed capacitors on your devices. Capacitors store and release electrical energy, helping stabilize voltage and filter noise in circuit. But when they fail, due to age, overheating, or poor manufacturing, they can wreak havoc. You might have noticed your device won't turn on, it's overheating or behaving erratically, like random shutdown or flickering screens. How do you spot a failed capacitor? Look for bulging tops, leaking fluids, or burn marks. Sometimes though the damage isn't visible, so a testing tool like a multimeter might be needed. Always replace failed capacitors.